Hi, I'm Martin, a member of the Data Mavericks. Data is supporting us in doing better decisions. Why data crunching? Since a long time ago, human beings are collecting data. For instance, to be able to predict what the weather looks like in about a day or the next hour. This helps me to decide if I go for a walk or if I stay at home. We call our methodology the data crunching fast track approach. Why? Because it's fast, it makes fun, and we'd rather like to work with you than we write papers. To provide you an app to make better business decisions, just like you do with your weather forecast app. Because it makes fun.